38 ka na, and look at what God has built with us. A growing family of 6, filled with noise, love, and little miracles. Di man lahat madali, pero araw-araw pinapaalala sa akin ng mga bata at ng pagmamahal mo na lahat ng pinagdarasal natin noon, unti-unti nating tinutupad kasama si Lord. And I hope na-surprise ka ngayong birthday mo. You know me that I love surprises, but hindi mo alam kung ano yon. In your birthday, thank you for loving us the way you do. Kahit napagod ka sa work at stress, ramdam pa rin namin ang iyong pagmamahal, lalo na pag kinakamusta mo yung mga bata. After a long day, ramdam ko na kami ang priority mo. We are still daydreaming of our future. Dreams we still hold in our hearts, but now I see more than ever, God is faithful. He gave us this family and is not done yet. I believe that as long as we keep Him at the center, we'll never run out of grace, love, and strength. So today, on your 38th, I don't celebrate your birthday. I celebrate you. The man God sent to be my partner, our kid's hero, and the calm in the chaos. Salamat sa'yo sa pagmamahal mo, sa sakripisyo mo, at sa pagiging haligi ng tahanan natin. I know life is still unfolding, but I wouldn't dream of living it with anyone else but you. Happy birthday, mahal ko! Let's keep building our dreams slowly, faithfully, and always with God at the center. But we did it! I won't spoil everything here, pero sana napasaya ka namin. Kahit simple lang, galing to sa puso naming mga anak mo. More than the surprise, I hope you feel how loved, seen, and celebrated you are. Hindi lang bilang asawa ko, kundi bilang tatay ng mga anak natin. So today, I honor you, the man I prayed for, the father our children look up to, the partner na kahit ilang taon nang lumipas, ikaw pa rin ang pinipili ko. Let's keep dreaming together. Let's keep growing with God in the middle of everything, because I know, no matter what season, as long as it's with you, I'm home. Happy birthday, mahal ko. I love you.